Hi traders, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a short tutorial how to log into your MT5 account using your FTMO credentials on your Android device. Once you're in your MT5 platform, what you want to do is click top left, and then you're either going to click on Get Started or Manage Your Accounts. From here now, you're going to click on this little plus button, which is located top right. Find your broker, you're going to search for FTMO. Here you're going to click on FTMO Global Markets Ltd. And from now on, we're just going to paste in our credentials and select the correct server, which in our case is FTMO Demo. From now on, just paste in your credentials, your login and your password. Once you have pasted in absolutely everything, what you want to do is just click on Login and you're ready to trade.